With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have the question, and the question says that the first electron microscope was first designed by, so Janssen and Hans, Robert Hooke, Knoll and Ruska, Selden and Swan. So we know that the Selden and Swan are the scientists who gave the cell theory, and that too after the discovery of or the invention of microscope. So this is not the correct answer. If we see, then Janssen was the one who actually invented, the microscope, but not the electron microscope, but the primitive microscope that we can say, and that too in the year of 1900 and in the year of 1590. So this is also not the correct answer. Electron microscope it is asked over here. So we know that Robert Hooke actually made or designed, actually we can say designed a microscope, and that was also simple microscope, and with that he made the discovery of cell. He discovered the cell or studied the cell. So this is also a wrong option. But if you see Knoll and Ruska, so they were the one, like as such we can say that Ernest Ruska, and along with him Max Knoll, they were the two in 1932. In 1932 they made a functional, and as such we can say first operational microscope, or the electron microscope, as such we can say electron microscope. So therefore it is very clear that this is the only correct answer. So hope this answer helps you. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.